Hi, I'm Tyler, and welcome to Rainbow Chefs Academy. Today we will be making a healthy version of the Piña Colada. Our ingredients are frozen bananas, frozen pineapple, ice, brown sugar, and unsweetened coconut milk. Alright, let's get started. The first step is to put 1/4 cup of ice and 1½ cups of frozen pineapple. Next, for the second step, I have to put 1/2 cup of bananas, 1/3 cup of brown sugar, and 1 cup of coconut milk. Finally, for the last step, we need to blend all the ingredients in a blender. After you finish blending, all you have to do now is pour it. Delicious. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Hope to see you all again. Bye now.